Canada, a vast nation stretching from the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific, boasts an incredibly diverse geography. Towering mountains pierce the sky, their snow-capped peaks reflecting the sun's rays. Vast forests blanket the landscape, their emerald hues a testament to the abundance of life. Sparkling lakes and rivers, like veins of silver, crisscross the land, connecting distant communities and providing sustenance to countless creatures. From the rugged coastlines of the east to the temperate rainforests of the west, Canada's landscapes are as varied as the people who call it home. This geographic diversity, in turn, gives rise to a wide range of climate zones and weather patterns. The Pacific Ocean, with its moderating influence, bathes the west coast in mild, moist air, while the interior experiences a more continental climate marked by greater temperature extremes. The prairies, a vast expanse of grassland, are subject to the whims of both Arctic air masses and warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico, resulting in a climate characterized by hot summers and cold winters. And the east coast, influenced by the Atlantic Ocean, experiences a maritime climate with relatively mild winters and warm, humid summers. Understanding Canada's geography is essential to comprehending the country's diverse climate zones and the unique weather patterns that characterize each region. As we delve deeper into each of these zones, we will uncover the interplay between land, water, and air that shapes the Canadian experience. From the lush rainforest of British Columbia to the icy shores of Newfoundland, Canada's climate is a testament to the power of nature and the beauty of diversity. Join me as we embark on a journey to explore the many faces of Canada's weather. Along Canada's western edge, where the Pacific Ocean meets the towering coast mountains, lies a region known for its mild temperatures and abundant rainfall. This is the West Coast, a land of lush rainforests, rugged coastlines, and vibrant cities that thrive under the moderating influence of the Pacific. Here the ocean acts as a giant heat sink, absorbing the sun's energy during the summer months and releasing it slowly throughout the winter. As a result, winters on the west coast are generally mild and wet, with temperatures rarely dipping below freezing. Rain is a constant companion, particularly during the winter months, as moist Pacific air is forced upwards by the coast mountains, cooling and condensing into clouds that blanket the region in a fine mist or a steady drizzle. This abundance of precipitation nourishes the region's iconic rainforests, home to towering trees like the western red cedar and Douglas fir, which thrive in the humid temperate conditions. Summers on the west coast are typically warm and relatively dry, with temperatures averaging in the low 20s Celsius. The ocean, having absorbed heat throughout the spring and early summer, acts as a natural air conditioner, keeping coastal areas cool and comfortable even on the hottest days. The combination of warm temperatures, long daylight hours, and relatively low rainfall makes summer a popular time to explore the region's stunning natural beauty, from the beaches of Vancouver Island to the hiking trails of Garibaldi Provincial Park. Moving eastward from the Pacific coast, we encounter a dramatic shift in climate as we enter Canada's vast interior. Here, the moderating influence of the Pacific Ocean wanes, giving way to a more continental climate characterized by greater temperature extremes and lower precipitation. The interior encompasses a diverse range of landscapes, from the towering peaks and deep valleys of the Rocky Mountains to the rolling hills and vast grasslands of the southern interior plateau. This geographic diversity contributes to the region's varied climate. The Rocky Mountains, acting as a formidable barrier, block moist Pacific air from reaching the interior, resulting in a rain shadow effect that creates drier conditions to the east. As a result, precipitation in the interior varies considerably, with higher elevations receiving more snowfall and lower elevations experiencing drier conditions, particularly in the rain shadow of the mountains. Temperatures in the interior are also subject to greater extremes than on the coast. Summers can be hot and dry, with temperatures often soaring above 30 degrees Celsius, particularly in the southern valleys. The lack of humidity, however, can make the heat more bearable than in more humid regions. Winters, on the other hand, are long and cold, with temperatures often plunging below -20 degrees Celsius, especially in the higher elevations and northern parts of the interior.